This is not a drill. An unprecedented emergency is unfolding. Take immediate action and follow official instructions.
Remain indoors. Avoid public spaces. Stay vigilant for further updates through official channels.
Seek refuge in designated emergency shelters. Stay calm, united, and follow guidance from emergency personnel. Experts are working tirelessly to understand and mitigate the situation. Trust in their expertise and cooperate fully.
A mysterious force looms, challenging our understanding. Together, we will confront and overcome this unprecedented ordeal.